G'day guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 4 Wilga Street in Seacombe Gardens. I've got a fantastic townhouse, street frontage, beautiful backyard, close to all the facilities down here including Marion Shopping Centre. It's absolutely perfect. Why don't we go inside and check it all out?
Time is running out. 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 Time is running out.
So there you have it. Inside of this townhouse is absolutely smashing. I love that it's got its own street frontage, but this backyard out the back is absolutely awesome also. Got this beautiful patio, great sized backyard, beautiful fruit trees. It's so private and calm, and of course you're so close to Marion Shopping Centre and all the facilities down here on the flat, including Brighton Beach and the beautiful coastline Adelaide has to offer. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.